guys, what's up? Today I'm going to take you to some fun places in Abuja, and there's a twist. I gave myself a budget of naira in this video. I'm trying to spend only that amount of money with the amount of places I wanted to go. It was insanely hard. If you want to see what I was able to stick to my budget, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to cheat a little. I did not include transportation in this video because I feel like everybody has their own different means of transport. I feel like we all have that friend that's the Uber driver that drives us everywhere we want to go when we're going out, and some of us take like Uber everywhere, some of us take public transport everywhere. So transportation is different for everybody, so I just cheated a little with that. We're still gonna try and keep things like food, snacks. Entry fee is going to be inside this. So the first place we went to is the Ushafa Crushed, and it's located in Buhari. It's a man-made lake, and me and my friends saw it on Instagram and we were like, guys, we need to go and take a picture here, and we did. People were swimming there, people were like having fun, people were jumping off the cliff.
What's flow? What is that? In case.
And we went there to take some pictures. The pictures turned out so well. If you want to see more of the pictures, then follow me on my Instagram. Shameless plug. It was such a fun time and it cost nothing. There is no entry fee. You just enter, you do your stuff. If you're going there for a picnic, if you're going there to take some pictures, which most people were there for, or people were there to swim, but I don't know about swimming in that place. So except for like 100 naira for water and stuff, we didn't spend anything. So the second place was Trukedero. It's a bowling alley, but I'm very sure they have other things. There was like an upstairs place, but I didn't really go there to check. It's probably even a restaurant, I'm not sure. We just went there to bowl. Bowling costs 3,000 on weekends and 2,500 on weekdays. But I think in the Dome, it's another bowling alley place. It has other things too. It's 2,500 throughout weekdays or weekends. It's 2,500, so you can choose. Trukedero, we went there for the aesthetics. So we were now like, oh, let's see their menu to find out if we can eat here. And babes, why is everything so expensive? So we decided to go to G Burger, which is our third place. It was a really nice, cute place. It had this chill diner vibes with it. It was really cute. The service was really nice. They had like a burger section, then an little ice cream parlor. The ice cream was really affordable. I got one, it was 1,000 naira for 2 scoops. And then we had burgers. Their burgers, I think the burger I ordered was 2-1, so we're technically off budget. I don't know how that happened. Their burger was so nice. They also had milkshakes and like others, but I didn't really order that. Oh shit, wait. I ordered fries. I ordered cheesy fries. Guys, my mind has been opened to a brand new realm. Putting cheese on fries. I must sound very, very stupid right now to some people. But I promise you that I had no idea how good putting cheese on fries tastes. Like I think they call it animal fries in some places, but guy, fries cost 2,000 naira. Yeah, so the burger was really nice. The burger is great, as G Burger is supposed to be, but then again, it's not the best burger I've ever tasted in my life. I think the best burger I've tasted is from Lagos Bistro. It's not even a burger place, it's just like a chill place. I think you've seen it everywhere on Instagram, like people going there, the I love Abuja sign behind them, and like the butterfly pictures people have posted. I also went there like last year, April and July, and since then their burger has stuck with me. Like I have not, any burger I've taken, I'm always comparing it to that burger, and I don't even think they sell burgers anymore. But this G Burger's burger is really cute. It's just that it's probably, the thing is that the burger probably doesn't even taste as nice as I remember it. It reminds me of an episode of How I Met Your Mother when Marshall was looking for this perfect burger that he had tasted. I'm giving that vibe. That is just for fourth and final place is picture. Let me say this correctly. Shehu Musa Yaradua Center. I hope I pronounced that right. So yeah, it's a museum, and then it was completely free. There's no entrance fee. It's open to the public. It's open to everybody. And I've seen so many pictures of people going there. So by the time we got there to the museum, they were closed, and I was so sad because I really wanted to go there. I think they closed by 5, but then we went there by 4, and they said they had a meeting, so they had to close 1 hour late. So I took a picture outside the place, and yeah, I couldn't really enter, but it's fine. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to see more places, I'll have my birthday vlog over. I'll have my birthday vlog over here where you can see Lagos Bistro. I think we went to other places too, and the amazing fries that I can't shut up about. Probably not that amazing, but I still love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's a good thing.